Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen of vegan iniquity. If you couldn't guess, this is another installment of the summer vegetable series. This is a very simple tomato salad, and I couldn't let the summer vegetable series go by even though we've got some tomato recipes without featuring this because we ate this constantly when I was a kid during the summer. My mom would slice up fresh garden ripe tomatoes, dress them very simply with olive oil, salt, pepper, and dry basil, not fresh. We didn't have fresh basil available when I was little, so we used dry basil. And so that's why I'm using it. If you wanted to sub fresh basil, you could, but it won't taste the same. This tastes exactly the way we had it when I was a kid because my mom always used the dried basil. Just make sure if you use dried basil that you use relatively fresh dried basil and it hasn't been sitting in your kitchen for a year because dried basil does lose its flavor kind of rapidly. And this particular salad, all we had available at the time, all my mom grew was red tomatoes, but these are a bunch of heirloom tomatoes. There are 4 different colors here. There's the yellow on the top. There's some, this was more of a mottled kind of red. This was a mottled green, kind of yellowish with a little bit of red on the outside. And then there was just a plain solid red. And they're all so good. They all taste different too. They're all very sweet, as you would expect ripe tomato to be. Isn't that pretty? So good. I didn't put as much olive oil as my mom used to. A little goes a long way. But it's really interesting how each one has a subtly different flavor. Love that pepper on there. And the dried basil is nicer than you'd think. So the recipe will be on my blog, and I will link it in the description. I will also link to the previous video, regular uploads, Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday, regular community tab posts. Pardon me while I pinch my nose. I'm going to sneeze. The pepper's going to make me sneeze. Okay, regular community tab posts Monday and Friday. Occasional shorts on Wednesday, occasional cat videos on Catterday. Thank you for visiting my community tab. Thank you for watching, liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. And I'll see you later, guys. One more for the road.